In this video, I will show you how to cancel your pdfFiller subscription. If you have a premium subscription, let's get started. First, open your account on the top right corner and then go to My Account. From this My Account option, go to Subscription and Payment. Look for this one, Subscription and Payment. And then guys, when you click your Subscription and Payment, just scroll down, click Cancel My Trial, this option. So guys, just click Cancel this one. If you have any problems, guys, you can reach the support team by clicking on this icon and then write your support. After that, write your problem here on this support section. Search for look for billing option and then choose your cancellation process. Click this one, contact support team, go to profile, and then, as I say, go to subscription and then click cancel your subscription. You can click copy link and you can write any submit ticket from here if you have any problems. So guys, if you want to get a refund, just click payment subscription. On the message, click I want to get a full refund here, and then just click submit the ticket. So guys, if you have any problem, you can contact me and it's on the chat and I will answer your question.